I just did my next test. I think I have one more to do. And after an hour, the crust is good. It's cooked all the way through. I did not let it rise long enough before I put it in the oven. But with the new configuration, with those bricks around the actual baking area, it is looking good, and it only took an hour rather than an hour and a half for it to bake. So, there we go. So good. Okay, I think we've got a good setup. I'm going to do some more bricks around the baking area. Do one more test and I think we're done. I'll talk with you later.